Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk to you and answer the question, do I need new windows or do I just need new glass? That's why I've got this piece of glass in my hand. Before we do though, let me tell you who I am. I'm a small business in Houston, Texas. We sell windows and doors for people in this area, and we started this YouTube channel hoping to help our local clients learn more about windows and doors, and next thing you know, people from all over the world are watching. And I just want to say, if you're one of those, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and to like this video if it's helpful. One last thing about that, if you're looking for a great window company near you, I've started a website where we have a list of great window companies all over the United States. It's jeffslist.com. Okay, so we get a lot of calls here at Houston Window Experts every day. And one of the common calls we get is somebody says, I need a new window. And we start to ask more questions, and it turns out they don't need a new window. What they need is glass for their window because the glass broke or something else happened. So let me explain the difference. So when people say I want a new window, they're thinking most of the time, oh, the kids are playing with a baseball and it broke the window. And I understand why there's a little confusion there, but you don't really need a new window unless you need an entire whole new window, right? Frame and everything. That's what a window company does. A glass company works on windows by replacing the glass inside your window. So we tell people, you don't need us, you need a glass company, and we refer them to a glass company if that's the case. But sometimes they ask this question, they say, well, wait a minute, I have a double pane window, so I guess I need a whole new window, don't I? And the answer is no. Unless there's damage to the frame, and the frame is irreparable, then you don't need a whole new window. So let me explain how that works. I'm holding in my hand a double pane unit for glass. So when you think about this, this is like a sandwich, right? Like an ice cream sandwich. You have a pane of glass on this side, a pane of glass on that side, and then this part in the middle is called a spacer, and that's what makes this a double pane piece of glass. If this outside piece of glass were shattered, you're not going to just replace the outside piece of glass. You have to replace the entire unit all at the same time, because these come sealed from the manufacturer. They could have no air in there, they could have argon gas in there. There's a lot of things that could be inside of it, but you cannot do this in the field. This has to be made and then brought out. So what the process would be, someone comes out to your house, they measure the glass, they go back and order it. It usually takes about 5 to 10 business days. You would get the new piece of glass in, then they would come out to your house and they would replace that glass unit, the whole glass unit, with a whole nother glass unit. You don't have to replace the frame. So I like to use this analogy because people understand it better. If your tires go bad on your car, you don't need a whole new tire and a whole new rim unless you damage the rim. All you need is a new tire. There'd be no reason to buy new rims. So in the case of needing glass for your house, there is a difference between needing glass or needing a whole window. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about this, don't forget to make a comment down there and I'll reply to them just as fast as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk again real soon.